we're going to see and how long it's going to fall and how much. So are we ready?
Yeah.
All right, drum roll. All right, let's see it. Let's see those totals, and you can see Athens, Tyler, Longview, Marshall. Now, this is a combination of mainly sleet and some snow. We could see up to 1 to 2 inches along Interstate 20. It does increase a little bit to about 2 to 4 inches from Sulphur Springs through Mount Pleasant across our northern counties. Now, as we look at Deep East Texas, we're going to see less than 1 inch of snow. So I think we're going to see a prolonged period of rain in Deep East Texas. We probably don't see that transition until the middle of the day on Saturday. So that is what we expect through Sunday. Now, here's the not so fun graphic we have to talk about. These are the freezing rain accumulations, and this is a concern. But, you know, when the models are trying to diagnose how much freezing rain and sleet we're going to see, they have a hard time doing that because sometimes we'll have a heavy band of sleet moving through, and then we'll see slightly warmer air with the next band, and we see freezing rain. But if all goes according to plan, I do expect we'll see about 1/4 to 1/2 inch of freezing rain, and that will do some damage to trees, perhaps the power grid as well. But most of us will probably stay below that 1/2 inch mark. Some isolated amounts are higher, of course, and then in Deep East Texas, 1/4 of an inch. I mean, that is not a fun weekend there, but that's what I expect for Deep East Texas. And as we look at the winter storm warning, it's out for our central and northern counties. We've got a winter storm watch for Deep East Texas. And as we look at these weather hazards, I think Friday we're going to be okay. I really don't expect much with the exception of wet roadways on Friday, which a lot of you can't even drive on wet roadways anyway. So Friday looks mostly safe. And as we look at Friday night and Saturday morning, we see wet roads now in our northern counties. That's when we'll start to see that transition from rain to freezing rain. You'll see it on the tree branches initially, and then Saturday evening and Sunday, that's when I think everything's going to get slick. At that point, everyone will be in the 20s and will probably fall into the teens Saturday night. So conditions are going to deteriorate, and they are going to deteriorate quickly. Let's look at Futurecast. Tonight we're fine. Most of tomorrow we're fine as well. This is 9 o'clock in the morning. We're just seeing some rain. The freezing line is still well off to our north. Now, as we move towards about 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, we're seeing showers along I-30, but you'll notice, other than a pocket of sleet or two, it's all rain. I'm not concerned about tomorrow. As we look at 9 o'clock, that's when we start to see that freezing rain to the south of the Red River, and it will spread fairly quickly to the south. By 4 in the morning, we're starting to see it to the north of Interstate 20. By 7, it's to the south of Interstate 20. We're seeing some pockets of sleet mixed in as well, and then we see band number 1 move through, and then band number 2, it begins to move in with that mixture of freezing rain and sleet for most of us, and we could have some periods of heavy sleet at times late Saturday night into Sunday morning. So Friday night, it's freezing rain for our northern counties. I think the Ouachita Mountain Range takes advantage of the shallow Arctic air mass, and it keeps us all rain from Linden down through Deep East Texas. But that can only go so far. I think on Saturday, we start to see sleet and freezing rain for everybody along into the north of Highway 84. It's all freezing rain in Deep East Texas. Saturday night, we start to mix in a few flakes of snow to our north. It's sleet and freezing rain further to the south, all freezing rain down by the lakes in Trinity and Houston County. And then as we look at your Sunday, it is sleet and snow, and it's sleet and freezing rain across Deep East Texas. Lows tonight, 40s. Highs tomorrow, upper 40s. So temperatures, they're not going to budge very much during the day tomorrow. There is a chance we do spend 72 plus hours below freezing, but my main concern, and this cannot be stressed enough, Sunday night and Monday morning, look at that temperature, 7 degrees. That will do damage to some pipes across East Texas, so do your due diligence now. You've got all day tomorrow without frozen precipitation. Make sure you cover those pipes up because it will be cold Monday morning. Isaac, Casey.